In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get professional account on Instagram. So let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to your profile page. For that, click on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. Once you're over here, click on three bars given at the top right corner. Here, you're going to find different option. Scroll down. Navigate to the option account type and tools. Click on that. Click on the option switch to professional account. Click on the option next. Now here you will need to select what best describes you and then click on switch to professional account. Click on OK. Select what type of professional are you, creator or business, and then click on next. Now provide these details. Then click on next. If you want to connect a Facebook page, you can do that, or also you can skip this process. Now you'll need to complete all of these. Then you can head back. Now navigate to your profile page. You're gonna find professional dashboard. Just with that, you have converted your account to the professional account. So this is how you can easily get professional account on Instagram. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.